Validation in the pharmaceutical industry is essential for ensuring quality and compliance with good manufacturing practices. It involves documented proof that processes and systems meet expected outcomes. Different types of validation, such as process, equipment, and cleaning validation, play crucial roles in minimizing contamination risks. Adhering to regulatory guidelines, like those from the FDA and EMA, further ensures the integrity and safety of pharmaceutical products. Validation in the pharmaceutical industry is a critical component of good manufacturing practices, GMP, and regulatory compliance. It ensures that processes, systems, equipment, and methods consistently produce results meeting predetermined quality standards. Definition of validation. Validation is the documented act of proving that any procedure, process, equipment, material, activity, or system leads to the expected result. Types of validation in pharmaceuticals. Process validation confirms that the manufacturing process consistently produces products meeting specifications. Prospective, done before distribution. Initial validation. Concurrent, done during routine production. Retrospective, based on historical data. Revalidation, done periodically or after changes. Equipment validation ensures that machinery and instruments perform reliably. Includes IQ, installation qualification, OQ, operational qualification, and PQ, performance qualification. Cleaning validation confirms that cleaning methods prevent contamination or cross-contamination. Analytical method validation ensures analytical test methods are accurate, precise, specific, and reproducible. Computer system validation, CSV, confirms software and systems, like LIMS ERP, function as intended in a regulated environment. Facility validation involves HVAC systems, water systems, and cleanroom validations to ensure environmental control. Key elements of validation. Validation Master Plan, VMP, a high-level document outlining the validation strategy, protocols and reports. Each validation has a written protocol and a summary report. Change control. Any modifications trigger an evaluation of whether revalidation is needed. Risk assessment. Validation is often driven by quality risk management, QRM principles. Regulatory guidelines. Major regulatory bodies provide guidance on validation, including FDA 21 CFR Part 211 and Part 11, EMA UDRILEX Volume 4, H Guidelines, Q2 for analytical validation, Q8 Q10 for quality management, WHO, PICS, and other international standards. Why validation is important. Ensures product quality, patient safety, and regulatory compliance. Reduces risk of recalls, batch rejection, and regulatory action. Provides traceability and documentation for audits and inspections. Thank you for your attention.